You are very strong. You can handle everything. If you are scared to losing some peoples, if you are scared to failures, then you have to think about it. That is nothing but your fears. You have lots of strength that you can handle all the failures, all the loneliness. Enjoy your own company, believe in yourself, in your strengths. Remember that this too shall pass. In this world, nothing is permanent. This failure, this loneliness is temporary. In problems, see in a mirror, say to yourself, this too shall pass. Remember one thing, in your hard times, what you are saying to yourself, that is very important. Because that words can make you, that words can break you. Words has a capacity to deform you, and words has a capacity to reform your soul. Many of the example you can see, destiny had destroyed their bodies, but their attitude to live a life is just awesome. I'll give you example from them. One example. If you think your life is too hard, you're giving up on that, you think your life is unfair to you, then think again. This is the story of a woman who made people realize that sometimes problems are not too big. We are too small because we cannot handle them. This is the story of Muniba Mazari, the Iron Lady of Pakistan. When she was 18 years old, she got married. That was not a happy marriage. After 2 years of marriage, she made a car accident. In that accident, she got lots of injuries. She cannot walk, she cannot be a mother again. Divorce was the biggest fear of her life. She was having fear of facing peoples. But she overcome all the fears by her attitude. She says, we all are perfectly imperfect, and that is perfectly alright. She believes in the power of words. The words can make you, break you, they can heal your soul, they can damage you forever. So always try to use positive words in life. We all have fears. Fear of unknown, fear of known, fear of losing people, fear of losing health, money. We want to excel in a career. We want to become famous. We want to get money. We are scared all the time. You have to overcome all that fears. When you accept yourself the way you are, the world recognizes you. It all starts from within. She overcome her all fears, and now, as I told before, she is called Iron Lady of Pakistan. She is an artist, wheelchair model, international anchor, and motivational speaker also. So, moral of the story was fight with your fear. Don't lose yourself. You are more stronger than you think. You have to be happy with your own self. You don't have to scared with your deformities. Be your own hero. Enjoy your own company. Fight with your fears. These hard times not permanent. God has a greater plan for you. So don't give up. Be fearless. For more motivational videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button please. And thanks for watching.